Looking for the best voltage tester but not sure where to start? Stick around, because today we're ranking the top picks from weakest to absolute best, so you can find the right tool for your needs. Let's kick things off with the MT01. This is the entry-level pick in today's lineup, and it takes the 5th spot in our ranking. It's a non-contact voltage tester that's simple, lightweight, and easy to carry. If you're just starting out with electrical work or need a tool for basic home use, this one gets the job done. One thing that's nice about this tester is that it has 3 sensitivity settings. That means you can adjust it depending on whether you're testing a low or high voltage line. It also comes with dual lighting, one at the tip for working close up and one at the back for general use. Plus, it has an aluminum body, which gives it a slightly more durable feel compared to plastic testers in this price range. But it's not all perfect. Unlike some of the other testers in this list, this one doesn't offer numeric voltage readings, so you're just getting a yes or no indication. It also claims to detect DC voltage, but the accuracy there isn't reliable. And a small but annoying detail, it doesn't come with a battery, so you'll have to supply your own AAA before you can use it. So who's this tester for? Well, if you're on a tight budget and just need a basic voltage detector for occasional use, this might be all you need. By the way, you'll find links to all the products I mentioned today at the best price right in the description below this video. Next up is the VENLAB model, which lands in the 4th spot. This one steps things up a bit compared to the MT01. It's still a non-contact AC tester, but it offers dual sensitivity, which makes it easier to detect both low and high voltage wires accurately. What's great here is the added convenience features. The VENLAB has a bright LED flashlight and even a laser pointer built into the pen, which is handy if you're working in dark corners or need to point something out on a job site. The combination of visual and audible alerts helps keep you safe, and the device has certifications like Cat 3 and Cat 4, so you can feel more confident when using it. Now, it's not perfect either. Like the MT01, this tester doesn't show you the exact voltage, it only tells you if voltage is present. And while the dual sensitivity is useful, it can sometimes miss low voltage signals in heavily shielded cables. If you're someone who needs a reliable tool for household or light professional work, and you like having a flashlight and pointer in the same device, this could be a solid choice. And hey, if you're finding this video helpful so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth reviews just like this. Coming in 3rd is the Neoteck model, and this one gives you a bit more flexibility compared to the previous options. It automatically adjusts its sensitivity depending on the voltage level it detects, which makes it more user-friendly if you're constantly switching between tasks. Another nice touch is the tri-level LED system. Instead of just red or green, you get multiple light levels to give you a clearer picture of what's happening. It also has an audible buzzer and includes a flashlight for working in dark spots. Safety-wise, this one is rated for Cat 3 and Cat 4 environments, which is great for a device at this price point. What's the downside? Well, like the other 2 testers we've looked at, it still doesn't give you a numeric readout. Also, the battery cover is a bit tricky to open. It requires a twist, which might be frustrating if you need to swap out batteries on the job. If you're looking for something simple but slightly smarter than the basic options, and you want an auto sensitivity feature, this Neoteck is a strong pick. Now let's talk about the Klein Tools kit, which takes the 2nd spot. This isn't just a voltage pen, it's actually a combo pack that includes a non-contact voltage tester and a separate GFCI outlet tester. That means you can check for live wires and test your outlets for proper wiring all in one package. The voltage pen is simple to use and gives you both visual and audible alerts when it detects voltage. It's also rated for Cat 4000 volts, which means it's safe for both residential and professional work. The GFCI tester is great for checking whether outlets are wired correctly or if there's a ground fault. That's a feature you won't find in the other testers we've covered so far. Now for the trade-offs. This kit still doesn't give you actual voltage readings, just presence detection. Also, the outlet tester is limited to 110 to 125 volts, so it's mostly for household use. And like the previous models, this pen only detects AC voltage. If you're an electrician or even a homeowner who wants a tool that covers both outlet testing and voltage detection, this is a really handy kit to keep in your toolbox. Finally, at the top of the list, we have the CEM tester. This is hands down the best option in this review. Why? Because it's built for tough jobs and demanding environments. It's waterproof, dustproof, and even certified for explosive environments. So if you're working in an industrial setting, this is the tool you want. What makes it stand out is the combination of features. It has dual range sensitivity, so you can switch between precision detection and high voltage scanning. The tricolor LED system gives you instant feedback about what you're detecting, and it even has an auto mute function in case you're in a quiet setting where beeping would be disruptive. The only downside? It's a little bulkier and heavier than the others, and it's still AC only with no numeric readout. But honestly, for industrial safety, that's not a deal breaker. If you're a professional who needs the most rugged, safest, and versatile voltage tester, the CEM is definitely the one to pick. Alright, that wraps up today's roundup of the best voltage testers. If you want to check out any of these products, make sure to use the links in the description to get the best deals. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hands-on reviews just like this one. See you next time.